Story order. Can you put the stories in order? Write 1, 2, 3, and 4 to tell how each story happened. Look at the pictures. Which picture is number 1? What do you think? I think this picture is number 1. A girl ties a bow on a gift. Which picture is number 2? What do you think? I think this picture is number 2. This is for you, Grandma. Oh, thank you. Which picture is number 3? What do you think? I think... Yes, I think this picture is number 3. What a beautiful vase! And this picture is number 4. Grandma puts pink flowers in a vase.